you asked that I would help you with thunder and fireworks. Take an old bag. I want you to take some little plant things here. They're squishy, more squishy, and some paper. So you've got 3 things in there. You're going to have to watch your dog. Don't let him or her do this on their own. This is a game you're going to play, and it's the noisy box. So hang on one second. You can see my guys are very curious about what I'm going to do. And we're going to take treats, and I've just got little Bill Jack here. And we're going to hide that in the noisy box. And you can put it under things, you can put it in things, you can make it, if your dog's a little bit insecure, just put it together. And let's see how this works. Find noisy box. Yeah, see, it makes noises. Oh, find them. Gotta find them. You can do it, Taz. Find it. Now, when thunder happens or as fireworks, just bring out the noisy box and let them play with it. They have to get used to it first and quiet. So remember distance, distraction. You can see Tazzy, who's very, very secure. He's even a little bit afraid of noisy box. But pretty soon, noisy box can come out when things are crazy, and it'll be the toy to play with. Piper, you want to see it? Go check him out. Go check him out. You can see Tazzy doesn't care. My guys do not mind fireworks, or unless it's the big M80s or the big whatever the new ones are. Really. For Piper, my shy dog, I'm not even going to try to I'm putting things right on the top like that. Just like that for her.
Dad's coming around the other side.
Don't worry, I'm not going to bother Mama. So this is a dog that is not afraid of anything.
What's in there?
Treats. It's a noisy box for thunder.
Hi, sweetheart.
Oh,
I miss seeing you.